No creature is quite as magical as a bird. They inspire and they ground us. This collection is a celebration of their unparalleled beauty. The colors, textures, movements and shapes of exotic birds come to life in this season's looks.
There are women that want something that's just fun and outside of the box and something a little bit different. We have this crazy colorful plumage palette. You're going to take it, be inspired by the color, and create whatever you want with it.
It's almost like a revival or an extension of a clipping to create colours, shapes and textures into hair colour.
My main inspiration was about birds. It's all about the elegance, the femininity and the sophistication.
Using different sort of non-conventional tools to create texture in the hair.